Hello and welcome to my Jets social media tutorial. I think it is very important to stay engaged as a fan, and my favorite part of being a Jets fan isn't just watching the games, it's talking with others, whether it's my friends or random people online. I love discussing about the Jets, whether it's current news, past news, and this is some of the ways that I do it. So it starts with social media, and I use every different social media for a different purpose. When I'm going on Twitter, I'm looking for discussion, I'm looking to text essentially. And some of the people that I follow are Connor Hughes, Jet Press, and New York Jets Matt. Then you look at Instagram. I'm looking more for pictures. I used to use it for the news, but now it's not as valuable for the news. They're just posting tweets, and I follow New York Jets fans only, New York Jets fans, or New York Jets official, and loyal New York Jets fans. I really like this for the pictures, the edits. That's what I'm looking for. Also, I'm looking to interact with my friends because Instagram's a little bit more personal. Then you got YouTube. I follow these people because it's similar to Twitter in the way that they talk about the Jets, but this is more long form content. As you can see, there's a podcast, there's the Jets official page, and then there's also New York Jets Central, who's a Jets fan. Um, I think the best way to stay engaged is just to go to the social media pages. So let's start with it. We're going to start with Connor Hughes. So Connor Hughes works for SNY. He used to cover exclusively the Jets. Now he does the Giants. He's a pretty funny guy. He has a good personality, but he also is just the most reliable Jets reporter. So if you're looking for a reliable Jets reporter, he's the one to go to. Then you have the Jet Press. Now, the Jet Press are going to be more fan oriented, but they do have good sources. So they're a reliable source. They are going to tell you the news, but then they also are going to give you some stuff. You see in the way that they talk, they are a little bit more informal. So it's kind of like interacting with a fan. And then my favorite part of Jets Twitter are people like New York Jets Matt. He's just a Jets season ticket holder. He's really funny, very informal. He's not going to give you news, but he's going to really you're going to have a fun time interacting with him, reading his tweets, and seeing the people that he tweets at, and you can tweet at him. So that's really fun. And then you have Instagram. So as you can see, like I said, they kind of just post pictures of the news. So you will get news by looking at this, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm here for all of the pictures and for example, the New York Jets official page, they post the score during the season, and I like being able to put that on my story because I know that my close friends are going to see it, interact with it. Then you have someone, loyal New York Jets fans who I've followed for a long time. Now, he has kind of, first of all, he's a Rutgers alum. He has a media news company now, and he's kind of really come a long way. So he does a lot of different things, whether it's the news, edits, stuff like that. But I just follow him because he's a really good fan. He's a really good content creator. So I would suggest that you do as well. Going into Jet Central, he does some of these shorter videos that are kind of like Twitter because he just talks and it's like breaking news, report, report. He does these things that are on the moment, on the spot, just gets his thoughts out. But then he does these longer videos, and I think he makes really good content on the Jets, so it's someone that I like to watch. Then you have The Athletic. So Connor Hughes used to work for The Athletic. There's a guy named Zach Rosenblatt, as you can see, who works here, and they just talk about the Jets. They're also reporters, so they're going to Jets practices, so they're good to listen to for a long time. And then finally, you have the New York Jets official page. Now, they make this documentary. The reason you're here is for One Jets Drive. One Jets Drive is a high quality production. As you can see here, this is something that they put a lot of work into, and it's essentially just a documentary. And they're going to show you these behind the scenes conversations. They're going to talk a lot about the Jets. It happens during the season, it happens before the season, and it's something that I really like to watch. And I think that a lot of Jets fans like it. You're going to see highlights behind the scenes, all this stuff. And so, yeah, these are the best ways that I like to stay involved. And I hope to see some of you out there interacting on social media. Go Jets.